Okay, today, boys and girls, you can have a piece of paper out and draw along with me as we go through this lesson. So today, we're going to learn about equal group stories, and you can draw this along with me. You don't have to draw perfectly. You can draw little boxes for cars or boxes for the shirts. However you would like to do it is fine. So in the top left-hand corner of this your screen is 3 shirts. Each of our shirts will have 5 buttons on the shirts. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to add our buttons to the shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot of buttons on the shirts, but that's what we're doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do this other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Squeeze them on there. So now it looks like we have 3 groups of 5. We have 1, 2, 3 groups of 5 buttons. Now there are a couple of ways we can figure out how many buttons we have in all. We could obviously count them. We could add them up and counting by 5s, or we can write an equation. Remember, we just learned how to write an equation for groups. So first we start with the groups when we write. So we will write 3, and remember groups of is represented by the times symbol. And we know we have 3 groups of 5 equals. So we've learned our times table, 5 times 3 or 3 times 5, because our factors can switch and they still equal the same number. So 3 times 5 equals what number? Get ready? Yes, 15. Good job. Now let's look over in the top right corner and talk about our cars. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars, and we know that cars typically have 4 tires on each car. So let's go ahead and get some tires on these cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can be counting with me. You can be drawing on your own papers. Okay, now that I have my 4 tires on my 4 cars, we can see that we have 4 groups of 4. So let's write the number sentence for this. We write the groups first, so we've got 4, X representing groups of 4, representing the tires, equals, we don't know this fact yet. However, we can count by 4, so let's do that together. 4, 8, 12, 16. So the answer is 16. So we have 5 cupcakes on the bottom left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And each cupcake is supposed to have 2 hearts. So I'm going to go ahead and move some hearts over. 1, 2. Okay, so we have 2 hearts on each of our cupcakes. So that means we have 5 groups of 2. So let's go ahead and write that number sentence. 5 groups of 2 equals how much? Everyone, get ready. Yes, 10. Good job. And our last group over here on the bottom right are some bicycles. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bicycles. And each bicycle already has its wheels on it. So we have 8 bicycles with 2 wheels. And if we want to know how many groups of wheels we have, let's see, we have 8 groups. So we're going to write down our 8 for our sentence. Groups of, we're going to write our times symbol. 2 for the number of wheels on each bicycle. So we have 8 times 2, which is, get ready, yes, 16. Good job, guys.